going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2019 Honda Accord, and today we have the code B00D5, and that code it's for the open or short to ground in the front passenger airbag indicator. So it's pretty much this thing right here. All right, so this code means that you have a short in the light, so every time you open the switch this must light up, because the airbag module does an overall diagnostic of everything, the airbag, make sure everything's working. But if we turn on the switch, we see that the light doesn't turn on. So what's gonna be the issue? Well, the issue, it's probably, well, I've seen other videos, they take this whole thing apart right here. So we're gonna take this whole dashboard apart so we can access the switch and open it, and there's gonna be probably a crack solder inside. If we can fix it, we will try to solder it. If not, then we'll just order a new one. And well, basically that's gonna be the whole problem with this car. So if you have this code, it's gonna be this right here. So first thing, we're gonna check, make sure power gets to there and ground. And well, let's just get started with the disassembly process. So the first piece you gotta take out is this one right here. Once you take that piece out, you have to pull this trim right here. As you can see, it's just clips. The next step will be to take out this piece right here, and it's just held by clips as well. Let me just see if I can take it with one hand. Hold on, and there we go. It just pulls out like that. The next step, we pretty much take out right here this one too. You just gotta pull it out, and it comes out really simple, as you can see, just with the hand. Just pull it like this. You can leave it hanging like that. And the next step will be, let's see if I can pull this. It should be held by clips right here. So as you can see, pretty much this whole section right here is held by clips only, and the only way this switch can come out is through the back. So it's held by some clips at the top and at the bottom. So yeah, let me see if something over here doesn't intervene, or let me see, just see if I can. Okay, there we go. So you heard that. Okay, come on, it just clips. There we go. Come on. And I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of difficult to film and do it with one hand. So there we go. Just gotta pull this piece like this, and this is the clip I was telling you about. Just gotta disconnect it first, and yep. But pretty much the switch is gonna be the issue. I fixed one of these cars before, but I didn't have the opportunity to film, so I'm just gonna do it this time, filming the whole process. And well, let me just work with my two hands, because it's hard to film with one hand and working only with one. So just give me a moment, I'll be back. All right, so it's kind of wrong. This piece doesn't go out like that. What you have to do is pry the back clips like this. So let me just show you really quick. It clips like this, and you gotta push the clips right here and then push it out. That way you can release it. All right, so once you already push the clips, then it slides out to the front. And well, we gotta disassemble this switch to see if the electronics inside, it's gonna be a bad crack solder, or it's gonna be probably a well, actually it's a crack solder near to a resistor. So that's the one we have to solder. All right, people, so we have something really interesting here. I believe it's gonna be a crack solder, like I said. So whenever you open the switch, this thing must light up. And if we open the switch, we see it doesn't light up. But if we hit it, it eventually comes to life. Let me just try one more time. Come on, and there we go. There you go. So you see, I was hitting it and it came out for some minutes, some seconds. That means there's a crack solder inside. All right, so that's confirmed. I'm gonna take this piece out. I'm gonna desolder with this, and we're gonna take the part out, and work on the resistors at the back, because that's gonna be the problem right there. And yeah, it takes about 10 minutes to do this. So the hardest part is taking out this whole dashboard. That's gonna be the hard part, but you can do this at home if you have a soldering experience or skills, like I said. And yeah, well, let's do this. And we have the problem right there. That's the whole issue. Crack solder. You see this whole section is burnt. Gotta solder back. Okay, so the solder joint, it's already done. See, this piece goes like this, like that. Gotta solder it back. So this is the part where we solder everything back. As you can see, I had to take this whole part. There you go. Alright people, so now is the moment of truth. We're gonna turn on the vehicle. I already installed the switch and I did all the soldering required, like I show you on the video. The 2 liters of resistors, the problem is actually the soldering being cracked. And well, if you don't want to buy the switch and wait for it to come, you just gotta disassemble everything here. It's pretty simple, it's not too hard. So now let's turn on the vehicle and we should see the light turn on. So that means there's no one sitting on this driver's side. If we sit on the driver's side, it means that someone is sitting and it must go off. So let me go on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna sit on this side and that light should go off. There we go. So that means our weight sensor is working properly. If we lift, then the light comes on. If we sit, the light comes on, goes off. All right, so this will be pretty much the end of the video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, notifications on, like the video, dislike if you didn't like it, and well, I hope you liked the information again. And well, I'll see you on the next episode. JB Fix out, guys. Bye.